Hi, we're done eating. We're done cooking.
And this is what I was making with the peppers, the paprika. It's got roasted onion and garlic and paprika put in the blender with chili.
Yeah.
So it's spicy.
And we have some chicken. The chicken I was talking about. With rice. Yum. And can I have
So
a
it's good. Look
little
at
bit,
this.
Papa?
Oh, delicious fried chicken.
Yum. Ernie
Very nice.
only don't eat spicy, so we're going to eat. We're hungry.
We're allowed to eat with our hands too, right?
Yeah, we're allowed.
Because in the Philippines, we're allowed to eat with our hands.
Yeah, you can feel the hot.
Even in the restaurant, it's okay, right?
Yeah, so we're better. And
How?
America? Really?
Well, in America,
Yeah,
usually
yeah.
you eat with your fork or your spoon. Your tinador or your
Yeah, I never
cuchara.
been there.
Mm.
Ernie asked me, how about America?
Uh,
I said, I've never been there.
someday. You will. A little bit far to get you.
Papa.
My uncle's looking at tickets at the moment. I think it's
Papa.
23 hours.
My under daddy was got the swimming pool.
Yeah.
It's daddy more.
Yeah, he's got a swimming pool.
Yes. He got two swimming pools. His swimming pool very deep. And my swimming pool's only small. Small one.
Smell?
Small.
Oh, small.
This is my swimming pool. And this is the small one. And that is
Okay,
the
pay attention
big
here.
one.
You did a lot of swimming with your daddy, Mark, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Swimming's a lot of fun.
I'm very cold.
This is the one you made, sweetie.
Even Jake loves swimming as well. They can swim all day, every day. Yeah, this is the one. I really like it. I don't know why I never made it before. It's good.
Yeah, here. Looks yummy. So, you know the coldest make you hungry. That's why if you swim,
Yeah, swimming makes you
you're
hungry.
hungry.
I remember that when I was a kid and I used to go swimming, and my mother's husband, he had an account at the country club because he used to play golf, and so when I went there he had a number and I could just go up to the kiosk, the canteen, and just tell him what the number was, and then it would go onto his account. I remember I used to get lots of hot dogs and
Yeah.
French
really.
fries and stuff.
A lot.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Me, I like that.
Good times.
I like hot dogs.
Well, with the food anyway. Yeah.
Restart.